How's it going, guys? Indiana John here, and today I finally have another tutorial for you. It's been probably around 2 years since I've done a tutorial, and this is a fun little trick. However, I just poked myself in the hand, so I'll be wiping that off frequently. But anyways, this is a trick that I really wanted to share. If you don't know the Assassin Flown grip switch, you should. I think I have a little tutorial on that from way back. But if you don't, if you're not familiar, it is. Let me see if you can see that good. It starts in a reverse grip. You pinch with your thumb and middle, and you swing it around. It does a little fan and lands nicely in the forwards position. The reverse version is something I just figured out a couple weeks ago, right before Blade Show, and then I showed Assassin Flown, aka Patrick, and he thought it was pretty cool. And so, anyways, the reverse version goes from a forwards grip, and I'll break it down slower, so don't worry about getting it on this first example. But it goes from a forwards grip, bam, into an ice pick grip. And several people that I showed kept trying to do like a choker fan type of thing, but it's not a choker fan. It just fans between your thumb and middle, and it isn't along the side of your finger like with a choker fan. It's with your fingers pointed, and it just kind of floats in between, and it's tricky. You can do it with 2 fan rotations, but it is much harder to land with 2. So I've just been trying to get it with 1, and so here's the actual breakdown. So you pinch with your thumb and middle, and you swing. If you're right-handed, you swing in a counterclockwise direction. And if you have a latch, it's kind of good to just get the direction of it down with it locked, or you can do it with a fixed blade. But it's pivot down that way, and then it's right there. There's not a lot going on direction wise, but it needs to be very horizontal the way that you throw it. So it goes between your thumb and middle, and it's on the handle that is away from your palm. So not this handle in next to your thumb, it's the other handle. And you pinch about a third or even like a quarter of the way up. It's not very far from the end. And when you do it without a latch, it's going to separate. And you want it to separate in a T shape for a fan. And that's why you do it horizontally, so that it pivots like this. If you drop it vertical too quick, it's gonna go down and like clap, and then it's hard to initiate a fan. So it's a very horizontal thing, and it's just a little bit of a fan, and then you just snap your hand horizontally to there. So it's like just like that. I'll put a slow-mo at the beginning. Hopefully I'll remember to do that. I don't know why I'm telling you, because you probably already saw. So that's the whole trick. I would highly recommend learning the normal Assassin Flown grip switch as I'd say as a prerequisite, but I guess it doesn't really matter which one you learn first. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.